Can anyone answer me? This is your paper, not mine, right? I won't be giving the paper this time, right? I have already scored 95, 96%. So yeah. Anyone who can write? Why do we need to do DM whenever we are stuck? One, it takes less time, right? And the second is that it right, it takes less time. Okay, so the efficiency, the number of questions that we would be doing in the time is right, the same time would be lesser and we would get more marks, right? And it releases pressure. At least we are moving ahead, right? If you would be stuck, you would get more pressure and the pressure would increase with the ticking time, right? And how much time do we have in this XAT paper per question? How much time do we have? How much time do we have? How much time do we have in this XAT paper? Anyone? Per question? 2.2 minutes. Okay. But you are seeing that we have 2.25 minutes or 2.2 minutes. Why do we need 2.2 minutes? Okay. How much remains? The cutoff of XAT paper section wise and overall. The overall cutoff would be somewhere near 32 to 34 for HR, right? And +2 for conversion, right? And for BM, it would be 34 to 36 and +2 for conversion. Increase these marks by 2 and you would easily be able to convert these exams, right? Now, I need to get these marks, right? I am taking 80% of accuracy because there are not much questions which I might be able to do in this paper. Have you ever found any of you ever found the time or the capability to do all the questions in the XAT paper? Those who have not taken the mock of past years, they should, right? So if we are not being able to do all the questions, what would we do? We would do those questions only in which we have 85+% accuracy, right? So I need to do how many questions? Let us say that I need 36 to 38 marks, right? So 36 is divisible by 3. Now with 85% accuracy, what would be equivalent to 85? Let us take 80%, okay, 3 by 5 of total questions, okay? That should give me 36 marks, right? But there would be negative marking of how much? How much is the negative marking in this? Negative marking is 0.25, right? Let us see that I did 2.5 of the total into 0.25. So can you calculate total number of questions that we must do to get 36 with 80% accuracy? Anyone? Calculate, please. Okay, calculate it for me. I'm waiting. Getting it? Okay. I'm waiting. Anyone? Okay, you need to give the XAT paper. XAT paper is difficult than CAT. Let us calculate this together. Okay. How much would we get? 3 into 2 into 0.2 upon 1.4. That means 2.5 upon 5 t is equals to 36. That is 1 upon 2. That is 72 questions. Okay. Have I done something wrong? कुछ wrong किया है क्या मैंने? 3.5. ओके, ट्राई इट ऑन योर ओन. ठीक है, कुछ गलती हो रही है यहाँ पे. सो लेट अस से Let us say that we have 4 upon 5, right? In 50 questions, we need to do 40 questions, right? Okay. And 10 marks we have, 10 marks हमारा घट रहा है, right? We are getting 10 marks this. So 10 into 0.25, right? That would be 4 marks less and 36 marks we would get. Okay, we are getting this. So we need 50 to 55 attempts. That is it, right? I am just planning for those who are not being able to get around 90 percentile. Okay, those who have been getting 90 percentile, they can easily increase their score up to 40, 38 or 40, right? Okay, now I am counting the bare minimum. Okay, so 50 to 55 questions are the number of questions that I need to do, right? How many of you are being able to do this? Are you all being able to do this 50 to 55 question? Achievable? Achievable or not? Okay, let us see. How much is the negative marking for attempted question, unattempted questions? 0.05, right? And even if we have, how many total questions do we have? Around 74 or 76, right? So we are approximately, if we are doing 55, we are leaving around 20 to 30 questions. Okay, and 30 into 0.05 would be 3 into 0.5, right? Okay, I hope 0.05 is the negative marking for leaving the question. Can anyone correct me? Minus 0.1. Okay, let us do it by 2. So 6 marks is the marks we are losing. Okay, so let us increase the yeah, 0 for the first hit, right? 0 for the first hit. Okay, so we have to add, we have to do it for only 22 into 2. Okay, 0.1. So 2.2 into 2, we are losing 4.4 marks. Okay, so we need to do approximately 55 questions with 80% accuracy, right? Let us say 55 questions with 80% accuracy. That is it. Okay, we needed these calculations. Now, so per section, we need to do how many questions if we go by this, right? 55 upon 3. How many questions do we need to do? Yeah, 18 to 19, right? 18 to 19. Okay, 18 to 19, right? If we are taking 80% accuracy, but my accuracy goes, I only attempt those questions in quants in which my accuracy is more than 90%, and I only attempt those questions in VRC in which my accuracy is 90% plus, right? So I would need lesser questions than this, right? Let us say 16 to 17 questions is the number of questions I need to do in each section, right? And if I am getting 100% accuracy, then I need to do even lesser. Okay, let us say 50 questions we need to do in total, right? So 18 questions total in all the sections, right? Okay, and if I get 100% accuracy in VRC and all this, 16 marks would do. Let us take 15. Okay, or even on the worst day 12, right? We need another 12 in quants, right? Numbers may go downwards or upwards depending on the how the paper has been set. Okay, so this is the number of marks that you need to target. Okay, not many number of questions. You would need to do around 18 to 20 questions in DM because the accuracy is low in this section, and you can do with 100% to 90% accuracy around 13 to 14 questions and you would be safe, right? Okay, 13 to 14 question or 15 questions, let us say 15 questions in both the sections, right? VRC and this one. Okay, then we will be safe. So let us see. In DM questions, I would say that you should attempt out of 21, you should attempt 19 or 20, right? Okay, then you would get 14 to 15 marks, and then only you would need around 20 marks to get the other two sections. because on a bad day you would get a difficult section like this VRC section. Okay, in 2020 the cutoff was 28 marks. Okay, 28 marks was the cutoff, a good marks for converting VM. Okay, so the section, as the sections got harder, the cutoff got lesser. Okay, so yeah, with increasing difficulty the cutoff will also go low. Now let us come to this. Okay, how to know which question to attempt in VARC? One, the attempt should be based on what you are good at, based on the 5 or 6 papers that you would take, right? I would not suggest you to take the mock papers of coachings because they are the exact replica of DM of past years. So do past year papers, right? Do past year papers, make notes, and then check the DM notes from my sessions. Okay, explanation, because I would give every explanation of whatever doubt you have. Okay, grammar, I am poor in grammar. Okay, I thought that told would come here and I got a negative marking. Okay, do not do these type of questions which have 2 sentences and this is a conditional sentence. The first sentence might have a certain error and the second part also might have a certain error, so the chances of getting wrong increases. Okay, so I would not suggest you to do these type of questions if you are not good with grammar. Now let us move to the next one. Okay, I hope I cleared your good sectional scores. Okay, Shashank, doubt. Okay, VARC, the score in VARC should be around 9 to 11 on a good day, right? DM should be around 9 to 11. Okay, 11 remains for HR. DM sectional cutoff is more for HR than for, so 9 remains generally and 11 remains generally for that. But if you practice this on the basis of logical reasoning, right, you would get around 13 to 15 easily in this section. Okay, then quant. In quant, the cutoff remains near 11 to 12 for BM and 9 for HR. Okay, these are regular cutoffs. So if we include the lower limits, so 13 plus 9 is 22 and 22 plus 11 is 33. So you can easily clear what? Easily clear the cutoff for HR. Now, depending on which session you are good at, which section you are good at, right? In quants or VRC, you can clear the cutoff for the other sections also. Okay, but try your best. Okay, let us move to the next question. So these questions remain a lot easier than these ones, right? So we will do this. Okay, how did we do this? We have to check. Okay, since there are 3 gaps here, right? 3 gaps, and we can make the meaning out of context, right? The context that has been given, this would be an easy question, and this was correct. Okay, this was correct. How did I reach to this? First, the first step should be to eliminate the options, right? Always eliminate the options which seem absurd. Okay, that paper is not easy. Absurd elimination should be done, and whichever cue you may get from the information given, you should take. Okay, now let us move ahead. How did we do this question? Okay, how did we do this question? So medicine has been operated by trial and error. So trial and error has been there, right? Let us take this cue in other words, right? So there must be a synonym of trial and error. Arbitrarily, okay. Statistically, doesn't come. Logically, doesn't come. Randomly, okay. 1 and 2 are there. Traditionally, analytically, and analytically won't come. 1 and 4 are the only options from the first step. After the first step, we are left with, right? We are now stuck on 2 options. Now let us check others, right? Historically and formally. Formally, medicine had been operated by trial and error. In other words, randomly. Okay, we know by now that there can be entirely accidental connection between symptoms and treatments, and some medications succeed in medical trials for mere random reasons. Okay, accidental, fortuitous. Which one would be the correct one? Which one would be the correct one? No, one wouldn't be the correct one. I don't think so. I don't think so. I was right with this. Okay, let us see. Let us see whether one was correct or not. Okay, arbitrarily fortuitous. What is the meaning of fortuitous? Okay, these are really opposite, right? But he is using here some medications succeed in medical trials for mere random reasons. Now we know by now that there can be entirely dash connections between symptoms and treatment. What is the meaning of fortuitous? Let me check. Okay. Okay, happening by chance rather than intention. Okay. So how can we assign one? Okay, here there is another cue here. By now. By now. Okay, then formerly. So historically would go more accurately with by now. Right? We do not need these type of meanings, the fortuitous meaning, right? The meaning of the word fortuitous to do these questions. We can also do this by context. Okay. Done with this. I hope many of you didn't know about the meaning of fortuitous. That is why I found this. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. So has been grammatically formerly doesn't go with has been. Okay, that might be correct, right? If you are grammatically correct, then you might go with that. Okay. I couldn't notice that. Okay, Aditya says that has been would go with grammatically. Formerly doesn't go with has been. Right, formerly there was. Yeah, formerly would go with was. Right, formerly would go with was. So that also you need to check. Okay. Right, that also you need to check. Okay. So there are many cues, right? I have shown you that there would be many cues. So we might get ahead of the other. We might get ahead in these questions rather than the other ones, right? The grammatical ones, which are the difficult ones. Okay. This is also difficult, right? Now I had eliminated these three. Okay. I had eliminated these three, 2, 3, and 4. Why? Because I know this option is true for sure. Okay. Now 1 to 5 and 1 through 5, 2 and 3 are the options that that are contentious. Okay, except for Rajiv, everybody was there, whole Delhi was there. Now I had a certain difficulty here, right? Concision. Here the difficulty is on concision, right? This should be concise. So except Rajiv, I could have written except Rajiv, right? But here the whole of Delhi should have been there. Okay, but I have a certain difficulty here, so I won't do this question. Okay, let us move ahead. Let us move ahead. Okay, now this would be easy. Okay, this would be easy. If you look at it, this would be really easy. Okay, this would be really easy on the basis of context only. So these questions can be done by on the basis of context on the first place, right? You can check for grammatical errors also, and then you can check for the words near, okay, the gaps. Okay, if about has been used here, which word might come after about? If you know the uses, you would be able to do the questions. Now I have done 2 questions with relatively ease, right? And the cutoff was how much? 7. Okay, 5 more to go. Now Okay. So I have given how much time here? 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes till now. On a bad day. Okay, if I am really what slow in this paper. Okay. The next question I would go to would be these. Okay, why? Because there are options. Okay, because there are options. The first option would be to make a mandatory pair. Which mandatory pair can we make here? Which mandatory pair can we make here? Okay, don't look at my chosen option. Okay, I don't know whether it is right or wrong. So I am just hiding it for you. Write your answers, okay, so that we could check. Okay, done. Can I move ahead? Can I move ahead? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, let us move ahead. Just a minute. Okay. So which are the mandatory pairs here? Which are the mandatory pairs here? I can see in the option that QR, QR, QR are in this manner, right? R comes after Q. Okay, let us see what we can have here. TP, TP, TP. Okay, TPR with together in 3 of the option. Let us see whether TP can be together or not. Emotional and self-esteem problems along with chronic illness in later life due to obesity are the issues associated with junk food. Okay. Fast food intake for more than 3 times a week is associated with greater odds of atopic diseases such as asthma. Okay, thus it should be definitely and strictly controlled in children as it does no good. Okay, we can see that we have T, Q, and R as the starting sentence. Let us start with the starting sentence. It makes it easy, right? Okay. T, Q, and R. T. Emotional and self-esteem problem along with chronic illness in later life due to obesity are the issues associated with junk food. Okay, let us read it all first. Fast food intake for more than 3 times a week is associated with greater odds of atopic disorders such as okay, 3 times a week. Thus, it should be definitely and strictly controlled in children. It does no good, right? Now, thus has been used here. This makes me makes me pretty confirmed, right, that it should be the last sentence. So 1, 2, and 4 would be the sentences that I would go for. I would check these sentences. If I am having any difficulty, then I would go towards the other ones, right? Junk food, which regular junk food intake can lead to physical and psychological issues among children. Okay, lack of vitamins such as A and C and minerals such as magnesium and calcium encourage the development of deficiency diseases and osteoporosis as well as dental caries due to higher intake. Junk food, which are rich in energy with lots of fat and sugar, are relatively low in other important nutrients such as protein. Okay, in other important nutrients. So other important nutrients should come with which one? With which sentence? R, right? And right, R. It should come with R, right? Lack of vitamins such as. Okay. Now, other has been given low in other important nutrients. So other has been given in fat and sugar, right? S and R would come together. So S and R have been given here and here in third. Oh, sorry. S and R has been given fourth and right. So I think fourth and second. Okay. Now Q and R. I have just to check. I need to check that just Q or T, whether Q or T would come first, right? Q or T. Regular junk intake, and Q is a more general sentence than T. Right? Obesity are the issues associated with junk food, and fast food intake for more than 3 times a week associated with great odds of atopic diseases. So these are disorders. These are disorder. T and P should come together, right? And T and Q has been given here, so I would go with 2. So you have to use the options here to get to the right answer and take some cues from the question. So this can be done with relative ease than we did in CAT. How many of you think that? Can we do it with relative ease or not? Okay, what I have found in past year papers is that, right, what I have found in past year paper is that there were 3 PJs, right? Among 3 PJs, 2 PJs were doable. And if you give enough time to third one, it was also doable if you have practiced it a bit. Okay, now let us do 8th one, 3 marks done. Okay, 3 marks done. Now let us move to the next one. Okay, someone has annotated something here, right? Someone has annotated something here. Please remove it. I don't know who it was. Okay, now let us move to the next question. Okay, there would be some CR questions also like this. Okay, CR questions, if you know how to do them, describes the politician intent, right? If you know how to eliminate the options and how to describe the conclusion, you would be able to do it, right? You would be able to do it. So I did all of them. Okay, I did all of them. Okay, let us see. I did all of them. How many questions were there from CR? Let me check. Okay, this is the second one. I didn't do this. Might have been difficult. This is a poem. I don't do poems. Okay, this is the second one, right? Second PJ. This is the third one. Okay, I did this. This is the fourth one. I did this. Okay, so my accuracy in these 4 CR questions, I did 3, and I was most subtle, right? I was most concerned with the accuracy, so I did 2 questions right. Right, I used to do 2 questions right in these CR questions at least. So how many marks are we getting right now? 5 minus 0.5, so 4.5. Okay, now 2.5 more marks to go. Okay, we also saw that there is a second PJ. Let us try to do this. Where was the second PJ? Saurabh, right? Saurabh was given. Just let me find it. Surveys, right? Surveys. Okay, this is the question, right? Okay, let's try to do this. We will do this together. Fine. Surbhi's Instagram profile has 1.4 million followers. It is filled with pictures of her posing in different settings. In India, reports suggest WhatsApp is primary tool. This is a general sentence, right? Okay. Political campaigns pay social media companies to promote their content. Political advertising on social media comes in many forms and remains unexamined in India. Social media influencers are used to dissemination of content. Okay. So first point is here to have a look at the options. Okay, PPPQS. Okay, we are ending with P mostly. So Surbhi Instagram profile has 1.4 million followers. It is filled with pictures of her posing in different settings. Okay, in India, reports suggest that WhatsApp okay, is primary tool for dissemination of political communication. Political campaigns pay social media companies to promote their content. Okay, political advertising on social media comes in many forms and remains under examined in India. Social media influencers are used to dissemination of content. Now T and P should come together, right? Because this is the only sentence that uses social media influencers, and P is the example of social media influencers, right? Okay, so we are quite confirmed with this. Are we or are we not? Are we or are we not? Okay. Okay. So let us see. Okay, what we can do. I can be wrong or right also. Okay. So we would move. We would completely eliminate this. Now we are left with SQR, SRQ, and QRS. Now let us see. Q in India report suggests that WhatsApp is primary tool for dissemination of political communication. Okay, this is Q is okay. S is political advertising on social media comes in many forms and remains under examined in India. Okay. Now this is political advertising on social media. What is the okay, WhatsApp is a primary tool, right? Social media has been used. This is more general, right? And the subject was what? Political advertising, political campaigns, right? It was mostly about it. Okay, so I would go with which one first? Which one first? I would go with S first, right? So I am eliminating Q here. Okay, now SQR and SRQ. SQR as political advertising on social media comes in many forms and remains under examined in India. Okay. Now QR are political campaigns pay social media companies to promote their content. Okay. In India, the reports suggest WhatsApp much more than Facebook and Twitter is the primary tool for dissemination of political communication. Okay. Promote their content. Okay, political advertising comes in many forms, remains under examined in India. Political campaigns pay social media companies to promote their content. In India, reports suggest that WhatsApp is the primary tool for dissemination of social media. Influencers are also used for dissemination of content. So we can see that dissemination of political communication and the dissemination of content would be together, right? So Q and T need to be together. So 2 would be the right answer, and I was wrong, as I can see here, right? I might have been in a hurry, so I got wrong here. Okay, this is from 2 or 3 years, 2 years ago, right? Yeah, 2 years ago. Okay, so this was doable. I have got how many marks now? 5.5. Okay, 5.5 marks done. Fine. Let us see. Let us say that I took around how many questions have I done? 4 CR, right? 2 fill in the blanks and 2 PJs. Now I have taken 8 3s are 24 minutes, right? 24 minutes. I have not read anything else. Now I'm only left with the RCs. I have to make 1 or 2 of them correct. Okay, I have to do 1 or 2 of them correct. So the RCs are pretty shorter than cat, right? I hope all of us are on the same page, right? Okay, now which one would you like to do first? Okay, let me give you the first RC. Okay, this is the first RC. Read it for a bit. I am giving you 1 minute. Okay, this is 22:45. I am giving you 1 minute. Okay, so that you would be able to do this. Not 1 minute. I am giving you 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds is enough to know that whether the RC is doable or not. No, this is not a philosophical nature article. right? This is not a philosophical nature article, sorry. Okay, so do you want to do this RC? How many of you want to do this RC? Let us look at others too, right? It is important to look at others. One is poem, right? I won't go to that. Now 1 and 2. Okay, this is on psychology, culture, and sociology. So closest to the meaning of the phrase labile sense of self. Okay, this might be difficult contextual meaning question, right? This is tough. This is really, really tough. Now I won't go to this, right? I won't go anywhere near to this. Now, okay. Pointless jobs keeping us working, and here precisely lies the mystery in capitalism. This is about capitalism, right? Capitalism. Let us see some keywords. Sure, in the old inefficient socialist states, the socialism where employment was considered both a right and a security. Okay, but of course is the very sort of problem market competition. Okay, doable, right? Understand. I am understanding this Facebook profiles. Okay, whatever, downloading TV sets. So fair amount of examples also are given in this, right? But I would like to. Oh, okay. Since you people are doing the paper, would you like to do this one first? Because the other one is a poem, right? So would you like to do this one first or the other one first? Okay, you won't like to do this one. How many of you would like to do this one? Anyone? This one, the other one. Okay, I have got two answers for the other one. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the other one. Okay, let us do the other one. The first one we are doing, right? This one. Okay, read it once and we would try to do these questions, right? And see how we can, whether we can do it or not, right? We are on 5.5 marks right now. We need two more questions correct. 5.5 marks right now. Okay, we need two more questions correct. We would go to 9. Let us say 4 more questions correct. Okay, we have 4 RCs, 3 RCs and 1 poem to go, right? We have 16 questions and we need 4 more correct. Okay, let us try to do it. Now try. I'm giving you the time to read this, okay? Because we need to do it together. I'm giving you, let us say, 2 minutes to read this, right? I hope this is sufficient. This is 20 to, it is for 20 to 48. I would give you 2 minutes to read this. Okay. Okay, guys, are we done? Are we done? Need 1 more minute? You need 1 more minute? Please speak, then only I would be able to move forward. Okay, you need 1 more minute. Okay. Those who are done can write done. Okay, one is done. See, you have ample amount of time. You can take any much, matlab, whatever time you need. Okay, all are done now. Okay, let us try to do this question. Now, the first response after reading the options of this question would be, okay, this is a really difficult. How many of you are finding this difficult? How many of you are finding this? Okay, one is there. Okay, I would let you know about the strategy that I employ here. Okay, now the first would be either I can go to DM to lose some pressure and come here, or I can do one passage, right? I can give my energy, whole energy to the one passage and then go to DM, right? Because that would ease the pressure. Okay, let us try to do this, right? Because we have not been pressurized till now. Okay, let us try to do this with pressure and then we would move to B. Okay, now or to quants. Okay, if you find certain easy questions in quant, 4 to 5 easy questions in quant, then you can do this. Okay, to ease the pressure, because DM is pretty difficult, right, for some of you. Now pleasure comes. Now the first option should be to eliminate the absurd options. Which one do you think is the absurd? I think fourth one is the absurd one, right? I would eliminate the fourth. Now fourth one is the absurd one. I would eliminate the fourth one. Now comes from what we are now, comes from what we are accustomed to, right? This is all together, right? In the first glance, this is wrong. Pleasure comes from what is perceived to be extraordinary. Okay, that has been given. Pleasure comes from what we are deprived of. There was no talk of deprivation. Was there? Was there a talk of deprivation anywhere? Right? It was about what we find by difficulty, right? So this is also a quite absurd option. Now we are left with three options. Now we have to find where pleasure has been mentioned, because these all answers could be given on what has been mentioned as pleasure, right? There is no need to read it all together again, right? That is the mistake I did. Okay, now the first pleasure has been mentioned here, hard-won pleasures. Once we had lives that amid considerable privation also offered numerous subtle hard-won pleasures. Okay, and now we have drugs that cause spasms of pleasure and dopamine, release a thousand-fold. Okay, whatever. Now the other sensation pleasure has been mentioned here. Okay, so soon we barely notice the fleeting whispers of pleasure caused by leaves in autumn and by lingering glance of okay, whatever. Okay, the fourth pleasure has been mentioned here. Now we know the overall structure of this passage and what this passage says, right? Okay, let us go to the first one. Once we had lives that amid considerable privation also offered numerous subtle hard-won pleasures. Okay, the author talked about hunter-gatherers here, right? He's talking about making comparisons so we can understand this, right? He was talking about hard-won pleasures. And now we have drugs that cause spasmos, pleasure, and dopamine release 1,000-fold higher than anything stupid simulated in our old drug-free world. Okay, this is about synthetic pleasure. Okay, now first, soon we barely notice the fleeting whispers of pleasure caused by leaves in okay, whatever. Right. This was because of habituation, right? This has two consequences. For what? The emptiness. Okay, because of unnaturally strong explosions. Okay, because of unnaturally strong application, strong explosions have two consequences. The first is this one. What was an unexpected pleasure yesterday is what feels entitled to today, and what we want enough tomorrow, right? Okay, there are words like entitled, right? Hard-won pleasure. On the basis of this we would try to do this, right? And now we have, that means the pleasure are easily available right now, synthetic pleasures, right? And it was not easily available earlier. Are we clear on this? At least this, right? But we might not get this in the first glance, so we would go by the options. Pleasure comes from whatever we are exposed to for the first time. This is absurd. First time, where did he mention first time? Hard one he has mentioned. So on the basis of that, we can eliminate this. Now we are only left with 3 and 5. Okay. So 3 and 5, we would need to be careful here. Pleasure comes from what appears to be valuable discovery or invention. Now, discovery or invention are abstract terms. Abstract terms always need to be checked. Now, has he anyways talked about discovery or invention? In any, right? Others, please answer. Yashasvi is answering. I don't know what others think. Okay, so yeah, two answers. There are two answers. Okay. Now, pleasure comes from what is perceived to be extraordinary. This can be the answer, right? Appears to be valuable, right? Exposed for the first time. So 3 and 5, between 3 and 5, which one wins? Fifth one, right? So this was a moderate level question, right? If I'm careful enough to find the answers, right, and check each and every part of the options, because options are really short in length, right? Short in length options need to be chosen carefully. Okay, so I have got around how many marks here? Okay, I have got around 6.5 marks here. Are you sure of your answer here? Right, I was quite sure, right, because I had subtle information there that the facts were wrong, right? Okay, 6.5. I need 3 more marks. Now, let us see. Okay, now this question. Going by the author, which of the following best answer the question? I have been wrong earlier, right? So do not look at this option. Now, going by the author, which of the following options best answers the question, how can one sustain the pleasure derived from any experience? Okay, so we have to go. Nothing has been given, right? Nothing has been given in the passage on this, right? Pleasures, we have seen each and every statement on pleasure. How can one sustain the pleasure derived from any experience? Let us try to eliminate the absurd options. Which are the absurd options here? Can you answer me? Can you answer me? Okay, awareness is a habituation moment, helps us sustain. Okay, so nothing about awareness has been talked about. Awareness of a habituation moment helps sustain pleasure. Okay. Okay. 5, 2 and 4. Okay, training to appreciate sweet whispers and fleeting moments of joy to sustain pleasure. Now this has been given, right? This has been given. This has two consequences, right? What has two consequences? This is because unnaturally strong explosion. Because of strong explosion, there are two consequences, right? How one sustain the pleasure derived from any experiences. So strong explosions, this is about synthetic, right? But we cannot sustain the simple pleasures with this, right? So 2 will be out of question. Okay, the closer the experience is to nature, the more sustainable it is. No, it was not about the closer experiences. He had talked about hard-won pleasures, right? So 1 won't be there. Okay. Okay. Periodic displeasure with synthetic experiences leads to sustaining pleasures. No, he was altogether against the synthetic experiences. So this is against, opposite to what the author was saying. So third answer should be the answer here. Okay. Which one did I choose? Third. Right. So this is quite considerable, right? Training to appreciate should okay. Now, closer the nature, he has said that also offered numerous subtle hard-won pleasures, right? Now, closer to nature has not been the case here. In the first example, he talked about during a concert of cathedral organ music, right? As I said, getting loose flesh amid that tsunami of sound, I was struck with a thought. For a medieval peasant, this must have been the loudest humanoid they've ever experienced. So this was not close to the nature, right? This was simple but not close to the nature. So you also need to understand that you need to take cues from these examples. Okay, leave nothing, because this is a really short length of example. Are you getting me? Those who have left the chat would suffer. Okay. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. How many have we got? 7.5. Easy. Okay. If you understand and check each and every option or information given here, you would get it. Okay. Awareness of a habituation moment helps sustain pleasure. Okay. Awareness has not been talked about. So subject is to be noted here. Okay. Awareness of a habituation moment helps sustain pleasure. And it was about what? Strong explosions and its consequences. So it cannot come. Okay. Huh. Moderate level, right? Moderate level. Okay. This was difficult. This was difficult, but can be done. Okay. This was difficult, but can be done. You have to keep an eye on every detail. Okay. So this one, which of the best describes emptiness as described in the passage? Okay. Emptiness comes from this combination of over the top non-natural source of reward and inevitability of habituation. Okay. Now, the inevitability of habituation that one gets from repeated consumption of man-made food or drugs. Okay. Would it be the answer? Difficult. Okay, this is difficult. I would keep this for now. A feeling of absence, okay, of sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. Okay, a feeling of absence of sources of pleasure when extant sources are. This seems a lot closer than first, right? Are you with me? Are you people with me? Okay. Ishan. Okay. Yearning for newer sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. Okay. Emptiness comes from combination of over the top and unnatural. This is because unnaturally strong explosion of synthetic experience and sensation and pleasure evoke unnaturally strong degrees of habituation. Now this should be related to habituation, right? Now, a feeling of absence of sources of pleasure when extant sources are in. This is really difficult. Okay, yearning for newer sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. A feeling of weariness around extant sources of pleasure. Weariness was not there, right? Weariness was not there. Habituation was there. Okay, a feeling evoked by carefully designed commercial food alluring us to them. Now, so these are the episode. We are left within 1, 2, and 3. Yearning for newer sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. Okay. A feeling of absence of sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. Okay. Okay. Let us see which emptiness are we talking about. Come from this combination of over the top non-natural sources of reward and the inevitability of habituation. And before this, he talked about how we had, okay, how hunter gatherers might have chance upon honey, right? And they had food craving, right? They had a sense of fulfillment. And now we have hundreds of carefully designed commercial foods that supply a burst of sensation unmatched by some lowly natural food. So it would be due to the habituation, right, and inevitability of habituation and unnatural sources, right? A feeling of absence of sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. Okay. Yearning for newer sources of pleasure when extant sources are in abundance. The inevitability of habituation that one gets from repeated consumption of man-made food. Okay. This is quite difficult. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm stuck between 3 options, so I won't do this. Okay, this was a difficult. Is any of you reaching to the answer here? Who can help me? Any of you reaching to the answer? Who can help me? No, we cannot say that because it has been given in a context here. A specific context is involved here. We cannot say that. We have to check whether it's the general meaning or the contextual meaning. Okay, Meghna. Now let us move ahead. I cannot do this question. Anyone who can do, please let me know. So how many marks have we completed? I don't know. Aditya, if you are not sure, do not go with this question. Okay, do not go with this question. How many marks are we with? How many marks have we achieved? Okay, 7.5, right? We are anyways getting 7.5. Okay, we have we have left those questions. Now there is spectacular in a situation, the most old society. Okay, well, this is too difficult. I won't do this. Okay, if possible, I would go with this. Okay, but not, it won't be the second passage that I would do. Okay, 7.5 marks we have got. Okay, so this is all I needed to cover, right? There is nothing now that I can tell you in terms of strategy, right? So we have completed or crossed the cutoff of 7 marks. Okay, now some of you would in desperation try to go beyond 10 or 11 or 12 marks, right? If you are not being able to, okay, one thing I experienced, right, while making this strategy was that I was getting 13 to 15 marks, right? 13 to 15 marks in VRC and above 99 percentile when I was doing this, right? Above 99 percentile when I was doing the past year, right? I did from 15 to from 15 to 19, right? From year 15 to 19, mocks of year 15 to 19, I had got around 11.5 marks minimum. So in this paper, right, in this paper, I had a certain amount of desperation to reach this figure, right? If I'm being able to do 10 plus marks, right, then this seems to be a difficult paper. Okay, in that scenario, you need to move to DM, right? So that, or quant, when you ease the pressure, and then think whether this paper is difficult than the last ones, whether I have done questions that were in my ability. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, so I was on this, right? Okay, so be calm. Okay, that is what I want to say. Be calm when you are doing this paper. Okay, and do not go for those options in which you are not sure. You would get 2 to 3 more questions in which you can mark answers about which you are sure, right? About which you are sure, and you can easily get some marks there. Fine. I hope this would work for everyone. Okay, now you all can try this approach, right? You all can try this approach and let me know your scores tomorrow. Fine. Any other questions you have? Any other questions you have? Okay, I hope you don't have any questions. So I would be uploading this video right tomorrow. Okay, I would be uploading this video tomorrow. So that is all for today. Have a good night. Fine. All the best for the paper, for the next one. Okay, someone has, okay, good night. There are paper given in the, if you go towards the downward direction on the website, right, at the bottom you would find the papers. Okay, you won't find the 2021 paper only, but you would find till 2020 from 5 years paper from 2020 and the previous years also there. Okay, officially available. Okay, so go there and download it from the official sources so that you don't get the answers. Okay, you can check the answers from other sources too. From 2018, the answers are official. Okay. Before 2018 or 2019, do not go. Okay, before 2018, do not go with the official the answers given on the sites. Okay, they may be different, and I have found that most of them are not trustable. Fine, that is it.